Exercise 4.3, question number 1, first one. Quadrilateral MORE. MO is equal to 6 cm, OR is equal to 4.5 cm, angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to 105 degree and angle R is equal to 105 degree. First of all, we will draw a line segment MO with 6 cm. Here we will write M, O and 6 cm. First step, draw a line segment MO is equal to 6 cm. Now we have to draw angle M of 60 degree. We will draw that without using protractor. So we will take rounder and pencil. Now with M as a center and any radius, we will draw an arc which touches line MO. Now this will be the intersecting point on line MO. With this center, we will draw another arc. This is angle of 60 degree. Now with the help of scale and pencil, we will draw this line. We will name this line as A. This is 60 degree. Now we will write second step. At M, draw MA such that angle OMA is equal to 60 degree. Now we have to draw angle O as 105. That also we will draw without using protractor. So we will take rounder. Again with O as a center and any radius, we will draw an arc which intersect MO. Now with the help of this intersecting point, we will draw another arc. This is again 60 degree with center O. Now using this arc, we will draw another arc. This will be the angle of 120 degree. Now with this arc as a center and this arc as a center, we will draw another two arcs and joint them. This will be angle of 90 degrees. Now we will joint O with this intersecting point with dotted lines. Now for angle 105, we will take 120 as a center and this as a center. Now this will be the intersecting point and it will be angle 105. Now we will join this intersecting point with O. We will name this line as line B. Now we will write next step, that is at O, draw line OB such that angle MOB is equal to 105 degree. Now we have OR as 4.5 centimeter. So we will take this line, we will measure 4.5 and mark over here. So this is R point. We will write R. Now again we have angle R as 105. So we will take R as a center and draw another arc which intersect line OB, and radius can be any. Now this will be the center and we will draw another arc. This is 60 degree with angle with center R. Now we will take this arc as a center and draw another arc. This is 120 degree. Now with this center, it means with 120 degree as a center and 60 as a center, we will intersect these two arcs and this will be 90 degree. Again we will join this with dotted lines. Now with 120 as a center and 90 as a center, we will draw two arcs which intersect each other. We will join this arc and this intersecting point with the help of scale and pencil. This will be line C and this will be point E. Thus MORE is required quadrilateral. Now let us write steps of construction. With O as a center, and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting line OB at R. Next point, at R, draw RC such that angle ORC is equal to 105 degree. Next point, locate E at intersection of RC and MA. Thus, MORE is required quadrilateral. So this is exercise 4.3, question number 1. Now we will continue with question number 2. Quadrilateral PLAN. PL is equal to 4 cm, angle A is equal to 6.5 cm, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to 110 and angle N is equal to 85 degree. First of all, we will draw a line segment of 6.5 centimeter. We will name this line segment as A and L. Over here we will write 6.5 centimeter. First step will be Draw a line segment AL is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now we have to draw AX with the help of protractor. Angle A is 110 degree. So we will place the protractor at center A, and over here there is 110 degree. So we will mark and draw with the help of scale and pencil. Now this line will be X and this angle will be 110 degree. Now we will write next step. At A, draw AX such that angle X AL is equal to 110 degree. Next point. Now at L we have to draw AY of 75 degree. So again with the help of protractor we will put the center at L and 75 will be between 70 and 80. So we will mark this with 75 and with the help of scale and pencil we will draw another line and we will name this line as Y, and this angle will be of 75 degree. Now we will write next point. At L, draw AY such that angle YLA is equal to 75 degree. Now with L as a center and radius 4 centimeter, we will draw another arc intersecting LY at point P. So with the help of scale we will mark the radius of 4 centimeter and name this point as P. Over here we will write 4 centimeter. Next step, with L as a center and radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting LY at P. Now we will take scale and rounder. We will take 4 centimeter radius on that. Now with L as a center we will draw an arc. This will be point P. Now we have to draw PZ. It means this line intersecting this line such that angle P is equal to 90 degree. So with center P, without using protractor, we have to draw angle 90 degree. So with center P and any radius, we will draw an arc intersecting line LY. Now With this point as a center, we will draw another arc, and with this point as a center, we will draw next arc. Now, we will take angle 120 degree as a center and angle 160 degree as a center. This will be 90 degree. Now, with the help of scale and pencil, we will close this quadrilateral and name this line as Y. This will be angle of 90 degree, and if you measure this with the help of protractor, you will see that this angle, it means angle N is of 85 degree. Now we will write steps. At P, draw PY. We already have Y over here, so we will mark this as Z. So over here it will be PZ such that angle ZPL is equal to 90 degree. Next point, locate N at intersection of AX and PZ. Thus, PLAN is the required quadrilateral. So this is question number 2.